In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact GoDaddy support. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you are logged in properly. Being signed in can make the support process smoother, especially if you need help with a product, service, or account-related issue. Once you are inside your account, take a moment to look at the main dashboard so you can easily find the option you need. Next, look for the question mark icon on the screen and click on it. This icon is usually where GoDaddy keeps helpful support and assistance options. If you do not notice it right away, scan the top area of the page carefully, since support icons are often placed in a visible corner for quick access. Clicking this icon will open a menu or support panel with different ways to get help. From there, click on the Contact Us option. This section is where GoDaddy organizes the available support methods for customers. It is designed to guide you toward the best way to solve your issue, whether you need general information, account support, or help with one of their services. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct option so you reach the right support channel. Once you are on the Contact Us page, you will see the chat option. Click on the chat button to begin speaking with support. This is often one of the quickest ways to get assistance, especially if you want real-time help without making a phone call. After opening the chat, you can type your question clearly and explain the issue you are facing. When writing your message, try to be specific and brief at first. For example, mention what product or service you need help with and describe the problem in simple terms. This can help the support team understand your situation faster and provide a more accurate response. If needed, you can always give more details during the conversation. And that's it. By opening your GoDaddy account, clicking the question mark icon, selecting Contact Us, and starting a chat, you can quickly reach GoDaddy support and ask your question. If the chat does not appear immediately, just wait a moment for the page to load completely. Following these steps should help you get connected and receive the assistance you need.